Today we will learn how to make the easiest illustration in Illustrator. First of all, create an ellipse and set its pi angle to 180 degrees, and make its duplicate and flip that duplicate vertically. Now create a rectangle on both of them, and then make two more ellipses, one the smallest and the other a little bigger than that. Now fill them with color. First of all, create a rectangle and unlink its corner radius and drag bottom 2 points and curve them. Now create an ellipse and set its pi angle to 180 degrees and flip it vertically. Now make two vertical rectangles and curve their corners. Now make two duplicates of it and then make two small ellipses and fill them with color. Select all with Ctrl+A and decrease the stroke 0. Now make a vertical rectangle and set it at a 17-degree rotational angle, and then make a duplicate of it and flip it horizontally. That's all for today. If you like the video, then do like and subscribe to the channel.